Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Sub. I am going to explain question number 10 that has been taken from Miscellaneous Exercise Chapter 3 Matrix of NCERT 12 Mathematics. Question number 10 Miscellaneous Exercise. A manufacturer sells the products X, Y, Z in two markets. Annual sales are indicated below. Market products in first market 10,000, 2,000, 18,000. In second market 6,000, 20,000, 8,000. If unit sale prices of XYZ are rupees 2, 50 paise, rupees 1, 50 paise, rupees 1 respectively. Find the total revenue in each market with the help of matrix algebra. Now come out to solution here. Here I shall write solution. Imply that let the sales of products be the matrix A and let 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 the price of product be the matrix B. Then first of all I shall write matrix A. Matrix A multiply to matrix B equal to matrix A is the sales of product. I shall take from this place 10,000, 2,000, 18,000, 6,000, 20,000, 8,000. Matrix B I shall write here. Unit sale price respectively 2.50, 1.50, 1.00. This can be written as implied that EB equal to 10,000, 2,000, 18,000, 6,000, 20,000, 8,000, and this will become 2.50 can be written as 542 1.50 can be written as 3/2 and 1 can be written as 1. 2.50 can be written as 5 over 2. 1.50 can be written as 3 over 2. 1.00 can be written as 1. So again I shall write implied that here product of two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. Two matrices, matrix A and matrix B, are going to be multiplied here. What we will do here? 10,000 will multiply to 5 over 2. You will get here 10,000 multiply to 5 over 2. 2,000 multiply to 3 over 2, and 18,000 will multiply to 1. Here you can see this is the first row, this is the second row. Or this matrix, first column, second column, third column. So this matrix is of order 2 into 3. 2 into 3. First row and second row. So total number of rows is available here 2. And total number of columns, first column, second column, third column, 3. And also this one, first row, second row, third row, 3, a column 1. So what we will do here, this matrix A is going to be multiplied to matrix B. In this case, matrix A has order 2 into 3. Matrix B has the order 2 into 3 into 1. Both matrices are going to be multiplied here. A multiplied to B. In this case, these three will be clubbed together, and the output matrix will have the order 2 into 1. So this matrix I am going to form here, that is output matrix, will have the order 2 into 1. This means that total number of 2 will be available, but column will be only 1. So what we will do in this case, here I plus, here I plus. This thing is there. So this is first row. A second row I am going to form here. 6,000 will multiply to 5 over 2. So 6,000 will multiply to 5 over 2 plus 20,000 will multiply to 3 over 2 plus 8,000 will multiply to 1. The output matrix I have formed here, 10,000 multiplied to 5 over 2, 10,000 multiplied to 5 over 2 plus 2,000 will multiply to 3 over 2, 2,000 multiplied to 3 over 2, 18,000 will multiply to 1, 18,000 multiply to 1. Again 6,000 will multiply to 5 over 2, 6,000 multiply to 5 over 2 plus 20,000 will multiply to 3 over 2, 20,000 multiply to 3 over 2 plus 8,000 will multiply to 1 here. And now this thing will be solved here equal to, what to do here, 10,000 will multiply to 5 over 2. So 10,000 over 2 comes out to be 5,000. So here we will get 5,000 2 5 are 10, 5,000. Will multiply to 5 plus 2,000 divided by 2 comes out to be 1,000. Multiply to 3 plus 18,000. Again 6,000 divided by 2 comes out to be 3,000 into 5 plus 3,000 into 5 plus 20,000 divided by 2 comes out to be 10,000. 3 plus, right here 3 plus 8,000. Again I shall write equal to, this is AB, 5,000 multiplied to 5 comes out to be 25,000 plus 3,000, 1,000 multiplied to 3 comes out to be 3,000 plus 18,000. Here 3,000 multiplied to 5 comes out to be 15,000 plus 10,000 multiplied to 3 comes out to be 30,000 plus 8,000 equal to, now add this one, this is 3,000, add this one, you will get here 333, or here 18 plus 3 comes out to be 21, or 21 plus 25 added to 21 will get here 46. You will get here 46. What result we have got? 46. So 46,000 I shall reflect here, 46,000. 46,000. Again 3, 3, 3. What will do here? 30 plus 15. 15 plus 30 added to 8. We'll get here 8, 5, 3, 1, 4, 53. We'll get here 53,000. 46,000, 53,000. This will be the correct answer. This means that in first market, total revenue in first market will be 46,000. Total revenue in second market will be 53,000. So here I shall write, hence the total revenue in first market is equal to reach 46,000, and again total revenue in second market equal to reach 53,000. This will be the correct answer you have got. Hence, the total revenue in first market will be rupees 46,000. Total revenue in second market will be 53,000. That is the correct answer we have got. This matrices A multiplied to B is of order 2 into 1. This means that number of rows will be 2 and number of columns will be only 1. Here 2 into 1. Here you can see total number of rows is available here to first row and second row. But column is only 1. To 1 column is got. This is the correct procedure I have adapted here in order to solve question number 10. In this way, this question has been solved. Here it says unit sale price means unit sales प्राइस ऑफ रुपीज. तो एक्स का एक यूनिट का सेल प्राइस ₹2.50. तो अकॉर्डिंगली आई हैव कन्वर्टेड 2.50 एज 5/2, 1.50 converted into 3/2 and 1.00 converted into 1. So respectively multiplication. This is the case of matrices multiplication. Okay guys, thanks.